Welcome to Voyage Vault. Did you know that there's an automatic currency conversion throughout the app? But if you just want to get a quick calculation between currencies, use the currency converter. Tap the dashboard tab and look for the button at the top with a euro sign surrounded by a circular arrow. Tap that button to open up the currency converter. On the Mac, you can use the shortcut Option-Command-K to bring up the currency converter window without going to the dashboard. Voyage Vault automatically populates the list with currencies from every trip in your vault. Your home currency is always pinned to the bottom of the list. The order of the currencies is based on the ones pinned to the list first. We'll show you how to change these in a minute. Followed by currencies from trips nearest to the current date with other trip currencies lower down the list. This makes it quicker to check prices during your current trip. To enter an amount to convert, tap the currency code and type in the amount. Voyage Vault automatically puts in the decimal point. I want to convert 115 euros, so I'll tap the euro line and type 115 plus 2 zeros for the cents. Then I'll tap the accept button next to the 0 button to start the conversion. The home currency at the bottom of the list will update along with every other currency in your list. Voyage Vault periodically updates the currency rates, but you can always tap the Update Currency Rates button at the bottom to refresh them manually. If you want to change the currencies pinned to the top of the list, tap the Currency Codes tab. The currencies with a star next to them are the pinned ones. Tap the currency you want to change, then toggle Show in Currency Converter to pin or unpin that currency. Check out our tutorials, how to add a transaction, and how to create a trip to learn more about automatic currency conversions in Voyage Vault.